Hello, my name is Tabitha Dussel. I have a bachelor's degree in psychology from Penn State. My experience with research is I did have two classes at Penn State, which I graduated a few years ago. It wasn't super in-depth research, basically just learning different ways to go about it. We had like surveys with freshmen and then just kind of put statistics together. It wasn't anything super crazy. Um, I think what would make research fun is learning something new and doing more in-depth research about different topics. Um, what excites me about the course is learning more things and learning different ways on how to research different areas, especially new topics that emerge every day that a lot of research isn't already done on, or stuff that we've just never learned about before because we're much further in our education now. I am very excited to continue learning.